I may well be part of the last of a generation that comes from that old school that, young chefs will be reading about in the future. As a Scotsman going to Paris at 21 years old, not speaking a word of French, and having to fight and survive in really, really tough kitchens. These are the things that carve you as a chef. They gave me that incredible drive and that never say die spirit. Scottish cooking has a definition, but the old haggis, neeps and tatties and deep-fried Mars bar and things, it's gone now, it's finished. We have a larder that's the envy of the world. The produce is the king. Nature naturally brings different ingredients together. When you work with seasonality, it brings the marriage of natural ingredients together. I absolutely love that. I think as you grow and you mature, you fully start to understand exactly what is the cycle of gastronomy, the cycle of produce, of life, and that is what I'm all about.
This whiskey's had 12 summers and 12 winters, so each season giving us colour and flavour.
But you know what? It's not actually the whiskey I'm after. What I want to know is, how do I learn to think like the fish?
If they're there, they'll take you, and if they're not, they won't. End of story.
I'm a great believer that nature does bring flavours together, marriage of flavours. When you work with seasonality, your menu changes naturally and organically as the seasons change. It brings together harmony, foraging, catching, cooking, being outside in the wild. It is a pure joy. Living off the land.